We need to figure out how long it takes Juan to run 1 yard. Okay? And the way you would do that, you would say how his time, which is 11 seconds, and divide that by y, and that's going to be his rate per yard. And then we want to know how long it takes him to run x yards. We just need to multiply this by x. So you get 11x over y. Now, if that doesn't make sense to you, think about this. If it takes me 20 minutes to run 2 miles, how long does it take me to run 1 mile? Well, you would say 20 minutes over 2 miles, and that's 10 minutes per mile. And that would be my rate. So how long would it take me to run 4 miles? I'd multiply that by 4.